Next we put two pieces above the cream one from the previous row, like this, and then another one above, and we repeat here. We cover each cream piece from the previous row with two dark brown pieces and then another one. Repeat this until you finish the row. Complete the row. I complete all of this, and our basket is almost finished. And next we will make the lower part here, and for this we will use small pieces, again brown and cream pieces. These are small pieces. You will obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper, and these small pieces are made exactly in the same way like the large one. The only difference is the size of this rectangular of paper. This is the rectangular of paper for large pieces, 5.2 by 3.6 centimeters, and we cut this in two. You will find this information in the description of the video. And from this rectangular we will make the 3D origami piece. And again we will use some large pieces connected together in a row. I put in the pocket, push, and then with my finger, or you can use a pen, we give a very nice round shape to this 3D origami piece. And now we will start. In the first row we will have dark brown pieces, and in the second we have cream pieces. And we connect pieces like this. Sorry. Until we have 5 pieces in the first row and 4 pieces in the third row, in the second row. Like this. And now we will close the circle and we complete the second row with one cream piece like this. Next we increase the number of pieces in a row. We have 5 and increase to 10. And for this we put one piece between these two here, and then 2 dark brown above. And then repeat. Increase again. now we have 10 pieces in this row. We push a little bit like this, and next we put an entire cream row. Like this. Next row we increase the number of pieces, and we will double it. From 10 pieces in a row we increase to 20. And again we put cream pieces here between the pieces from the previous row, and then we put 2 pieces above, 2 dark brown pieces above. And we repeat this until we finish the row. Increase again. And then repeat. Finish the row. I finished this row, and now we have 20 pieces in the last row. And next we put an entire cream row like this. Finish the row. Next we put an entire dark brown row like this. Complete the entire row with dark brown pieces. Next we put an entire cream row. Like this. Finish the row. Next we put an entire dark brown row like this. Complete the entire row. Next we put a cream row like this. And after we finish this cream row, we put a dark brown row above like this. Complete these 2 rows. Finish these 2 rows, and next we put again 1 cream row and then one dark brown. Okay, this cream row, and then above a dark brown row like this. Complete these two rows. I finish these two rows, and next we put the last row and cream row like this. Complete the entire row. Sorry. Finish the entire row. I finish this, and next we glue pieces like this. We put two cream pieces, then two dark brown, and then again two cream, and we repeat this. We do not have an exact number of pieces. We connect pieces like this until we have enough to make this circle to glue it here. Can push a little bit, it's only paper, and we glue these two together like this. Next we glue these two parts together, and I will use a glue who dries very quickly, and I put some glue and then connect and push a little bit like this. I glue this, and next I will glue these two parts together like this. We will glue very well. I glue these two parts together, and should look like this. And next we make another strip like this, and we will be large enough to cover here the entire part. After we glue this, we will make another string like this. I will repeat, this is not an exact number of pieces. This depends of the quality of your pieces, but you must make a circle big enough to enter here like this. It is paper. If it is a little larger, it is not a problem. You can push a little bit, and we will glue very well, and this help the model be more solid and stable. Glue very well. I finished to glue this. I put a little bit more glue here. Be very quickly, this is a glue who dries very fast, and it is the motive. I don't usually show you how I glue, because I must move very quickly. And I glue these parts together, and we have a very nice and solid basket. I hope you enjoy this model. It is a very beautiful model, and for this I make 5 eggs, ornamental eggs, 5 different models, and I will make in the next days the tutorial for these 5 models. And now we will take these eggs and we will put them together like this. And we have a very beautiful model. It is one of the most beautiful model I ever create, and I hope you enjoy this. This is all for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe, rate my comments, and share my videos.